In this Delft Stack tutorial, you'll learn how to fix corrupted files in Windows 11. Watch this tutorial until the end to know exactly what to do. I'll show you the best methods to fix corrupted files. First, we'll use the command prompt method, which is easy to do. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog. Type CMD and press OK. The command prompt window will open. Copy and paste the commands, or type them manually. Type SFC/Scannow, then press Enter. The system file checker scan will start. Make sure command prompt is running with administrator access. Wait for the scan to complete from 0 to 100%. After the scan finishes, copy the next command. Type DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. Run this command only after the SFC scan is complete. Wait for the DISM process to finish. Next, open File Explorer and locate your drive. Choose the drive where your files are stored. Right-click the drive and select Properties. Go to the Tools tab. Under Error Checking, click Check. Click Scan Drive to find and fix errors. The scan may take some time depending on your PC. Once the scan completes, check if the issue is resolved. If files are still corrupted, open Windows Settings. Search for Recovery and open Recovery Options. First, make sure Windows Update is fully up to date. Install any pending updates before continuing. If the issue persists, select Reset this PC. Resetting Windows removes corrupted system files. This is the final option if other methods fail. That's it for this tutorial. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.